Hello everyone, this is OPPO A1k and today I'm gonna show you how you can edit photos in OPPO A1k. So first open up the Photos app and select one of your photos, then click to edit, and there are a lot of options of editing. So first what there it is, it's auto enhance. You can adjust your enhance by it. So you can compare your photo with your photo by clicking to compare. So this one seems cute for me. Alright, then crop and rotate. You can crop and rotate your photo. So for cropping, you can rotate your photo by dragging these options. So I don't need to rotate those options. Alright, then this is 90-degree rotation option, and then there's a mirror option, which means flipping your photo. So this one is perfect. Then crop, there is a manual resolution for cropping, but I think I don't need to crop. I need to manually crop. So then this side, yes, grid lines will help you to adjust the photo, and maybe this one is alright. Done. Then filter option. Filter gives you some templates of adjusting your photos. It depends on your mind, the photos, what seems beautiful. So maybe this one is cute, but I need to compare. No, maybe original is better for everything, but you can customize it. Then stickers, there are a lot of stickers, and which seems amazing to this editor. So here are some stickers. You can see these stickers are animated, but how they can convert it into photo? Are they GIF? No, they are not GIF. You can save the real-time edit when you click the tick mark like that, and you can see it's a little bit transparent. When the animation was going on that time, it has been freezed. So it's cute maybe, but I don't need to add the stickers. So let me show you some of the stickers, like ice cream, then this one, then this one. Oh, that one, that looks nice. Then here's some other stickers. Travel. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, all right, I haven't added any stickers. Then doodle, there's some lines you can add in the doodles option, like this one, and then there's straight lines, see this one, and then their rectangle, this one, then their rounded shape, this one, and their arrow shape, this one. Like I want to detect my faces, so I can click to doodle. Then this one, and look at those two eyes. Oh, that's too much level maybe. Okay, so if I click to doodle, there are some other customization options like colors. So I'm gonna give a frame like that, from there to there. Then color, there's some colors, so maybe this color is the best for me according to the photo. This one is the best. Then you can adjust the size, so this size is better for me. So alright, everything is done. Then you can add text, so click to any part of your photo, then enter text. Hi. Okay, then you can customize it. customize the color. So this yellow color, then yellow color, then size, then you can customize the size, but it's very much restricted because you can't change the fonts, you can't change the resolutions. But alright, although it have it, what we can do, it is OPPO A1k. But yes, then done. Then here is adjust option. You can adjust the brightness. Oh, that was very much and dark, so a little bit brighter for me. Then contrast, the distance of black and white, you can increase it. So contrast, I don't need much contrast for my photo. Then saturation makes you color brighter, makes you color changes your hue. So if I decrease the saturation, it becomes black and white, and if I increase it, it becomes colorful. So I don't need to colorize my photo. This one is perfect. And color temperature increases and decreases your temperature. So I don't need to decrease. I would like to decrease a little bit temperature. So let me compare my photo. It has been saved, and now I can compare my photo. Look at that, this one like that, and now it's like that. Then Mosaic, and you can add mosaic by blurring your photo. Like I wanna blur this side, so I can blur this side, and this side. It's like pixelated image, and you can adjust the size of it. Okay, then you can add another pattern, like this pattern. It seems like I'm spoiling a painted picture. Yes, that seems beautiful. Not beautiful. Then here is a simple blurring option to blur your photo. So I'm gonna blur it easily, but no, I don't need to blur like that. Then here is a brush typed blurring photo option. It seems like that. So you can blur your background by it, but it depends on you. But I don't need that at all. And there is another option, blur. So blur, you can manually blur part of your video, a photo. And I'm gonna a little bit longer. Now you can see my background has been blurred, and you can use straight line for blurring, and you can rotate it easily. But I need the circle blurring option for my photo. So if I compare my photo, blurring makes focus on me. So in my case, blurring, I'm gonna enable blur. Alright, everything is good. Then eraser. You can erase some of the parts of your photo like that. I don't need that for this photo. Then let me show you the beauty option. You can make your photo beautiful. One tap beauty makes you beautiful editing faster. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can choose which one is the best for you. But I want to make my photo beautiful by manually, so I'm gonna cross it. Then whitening makes you bright white, fair skin. So a little bit whitening I need, it's okay. Then smoothering makes your skin smoother, so I don't need too much smooth skin. This one is perfect for me. Then remove blemishes, and you can remove blemishes by it, but I don't have much blemishes, but although I'm removing it a little bit. Then slim face, you can slim up your face. I don't need to slim up my face because I'm slim. Trying to thumb because I'm slim. Then enlarge eyes. You can make your eyes larger. Then brighten eyes, make your eyes brighter. Then remove dark circles. Remove the dark circles of your eye, under your eye. Then whiten teeth, makes your teeth whiter. And let's compare. Look that I made my picture beautiful. And then let me compare the photo. It seems beautiful like. So done. My picture has been saved. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up and stay tuned by subscribing for exploring more. Thank you very much.